Up here. They're on that side anyhow, so. Well, we got the baboons over there. I don't know how close I want to get to them. I could be attacked by massive amounts of baboons here. I'm going to sashay on down here. Oh, the safety in numbers, good. So there's like 1 in 3 chances that they'll go after me then. Yeah. Yeah. There they are. He's a big guy, yeah. There's a little baby up there too. Right in the center. See a little baby here. Look at that. Yeah. Another little baby up there on the top too. There's one up in a tree. He's behind the branches there. You can't see him. Well, it says up here, welcome to the Ngorongoro Conservation Area. I better get out of the way here. There's the Ladari Gate up there. Alright. The Republic of Tanzania. Right here. Well, this is the Ngorongoro Crater. We're at an observation point. It's very hazy, so it's going to be a little hard to see everything. But we're going to go across here. Big crater. There's a lake down there too. Maybe the haze will burn through on the video. I don't know. September 28th, 2021, I'm in Tanzania at the Ngorongoro Crater that's in back of me here. And I don't know if you can see it. We're at an observation point and there's a lot of people here. But there's a lake back there and we're going to be staying way over there on the other side. Actually over there somewhere this evening, which we have to head over to next. It's going to be a bit of a drive. But of course, I'm one-man travel, bringing this all to you in Tanzania here. So, and it's dusty. I'm all dusty from the road and driving and in our van and everything here. But try to do the best that I can. But it's over my other shoulder too, and the rest of the crater is out there. And there's a lake down there. If I hold it up, you might be able to see. But it's very hazy here, so it may be difficult to see. I may have to bump this up and post here. All right, Ed Getley. See you later. Bye.
These ones up here. Some nice ones in front. Those are like white flowers. Yeah, it's not like looking up towards Enroute, which is another one of the volcanoes here.